Hello everyone and welcome back to the Pro Cheer and Dance Report. It's Erica Dawn here. It's been a minute since I was last on here. It's been a couple weeks, so I just wanted to come on here and catch up. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Alright, so today on the Pro Cheer and Dance Report, I am here to report that I have nothing to report. Things are a little slow right now in the sports world just in general. So when it comes to Pro Cheer and Dance teams, it's been like crickets a little bit. But there's lots of other fun things going on, so hopefully you guys are following all these teams that are in the process of their training camps, or other little fun things that teams are doing, or other people who are dedicated to Pro Cheer and Dance like I am, who have been doing some fun things online as well to keep you entertained and keep you engaged with the professional cheer and dance world. I hope that you are also training and still getting as much knowledge as you can if you are planning on auditioning for a Pro Cheer Dance team in the future. So with that, I want to know, guys, how are you liking the Sideline classes that I've been posting? Leave a comment in the description and tell me how you've been liking them, or if you tried them out for yourself, or if there are any songs that you would like me to do a Sideline dance class to. I've got a whole list of songs that I'm trying to get through, but of course I'm like a request line, so I'll take whatever suggestions you have. I've been working day in, day out to be able to bring you guys more content, bring you more to this channel with more tips, more classes, just some fun Pro Cheer and Dance things that I've come up with. So I'm looking forward to being able to bring you all of that this fall. In the meantime, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you're following on Instagram at Rising with Dawn Dance Co, or on Facebook at Erica Dawn Dance Choreography. You can also type in at Rising with Dawn Dance Co and be able to find me there as well. If you subscribe to this channel in the beginning stages of this channel, you'll know that I had posted some free classes online that I was offering in the beginning of the pandemic. I'm thinking about taking those classes down for a while, so those classes will only be available for a short amount of time. So if I were you, I'd take advantage of those classes now. Just trying to clean up my channel a little bit and make it more dedicated to just Pro Cheer and Dance for right now. So again, those classes are still available right now. I haven't decided for sure if I'm taking them down, but if I do take them down, they will be coming down very soon. So take advantage. They're free. Learn them while they're free. Even if things continue to go slow in this world, I'm still going to be bringing you so many new things that are going to keep this party going, okay? Definitely want you to be on the lookout. Make sure that you're reading the description of all of the videos that I post, because you don't want to miss out on any good information that I may be providing you there. One thing that I will be bringing to you guys is an unboxing. These are some palms that I ordered off of Amazon. I have not opened them yet because I actually want to open them on camera, which I'm going to be doing tomorrow. I'm assuming that these palms are already stripped because of the size of the box. I ordered 2 pair, but we'll see if I have to strip them or not. And then maybe later I might do, a tutorial on how to strip palms, but maybe these are already stripped. I don't know. We'll see. So I will be filming the unboxing tomorrow along with some more Sideline dance classes. So please be on the lookout for that. I will actually be using the palms while I am teaching the choreography on the Sideline dance classes. So I'm going to do a little review after I do the unboxing, because I want to be able to provide a good source for those of you out there who are planning on auditioning or who have never been on a pro team before. They don't give you palms at auditions, okay? So it's really good to get acclimated with dancing with them in your hand. You want to make sure that you're getting lightweight palms that aren't too heavy and things like that for you to practice with. So I just want to be able to give you a good resource so that you can go and purchase your own and be able to use them for practice, because it is really something that you're going to have to get used to. So why not get a head start? So in addition to free content that I have here on my channel, I'm also working on some paid content and some other freebies that I will be offering for those who are on my mailing list. So please feel free to join my list so that you don't miss out on any of those things that I will be bringing to you. Through my list, you'll have access to so much more in addition to this channel and the content that I bring here. I'm also going to be bringing some live coaching, some workshops, more classes that you really don't want to miss out on. So make sure that you are on my list. Also make sure that you are tuned to this channel and subscribed, and make sure that you're also connected with me on IG. As always, if you ever have any questions about anything, you can drop a comment below on any of my videos and I'll get right back to you. You can also DM me on my Instagram page. I will answer you right away. And of course, you can also email me. So all of my contact information will be in the description below. Alright guys, so really short and sweet. Like I said, I don't really have much to talk about today, but hopefully I will have some exciting news for you all soon. In the meantime, make sure that you're taking advantage of the 4 and 2, which is the new Sideline dance class segment that I have here on this channel. I hope that you guys who have taken the classes so far are enjoying. Again, please let me know how you're liking it and let me know if there's any song requests out there that you would like for me to teach a class to. And that is it. Thank you again for tuning in to Rising with Dawn. Thank you for tuning in to the Pro Cheer and Dance Report. I hope to see you on the 4 and 2, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye!